Alright, the tire that I sealed with grease is losing air, but I don't see any bubbles other than the ones that I spray on. You can spray them on and you see the bubbles coming out of the deal, but no bubbles are popping up anywhere. But it was losing air, and I finally, even this side, no extra bubbles. Got a plane coming over. Asking what they want, two of them. Flying off into the sunset. But there's no bubbles popping up anywhere. I finally figured it. I finally found it. Look at that. That's what you're looking for. And that's where it's leaking. So let me see if we can tighten it or loosen it, or we may have to replace it. It don't look bad, but it was surely leaking. I wonder, I don't have a new one. Let me see if I can find one, or I'll maybe put something on here. See if we can seal it. All right, I found another one out of a bicycle tube, but I don't know if it'll fit in here. Let's see if it will. Should. Bicycle tube was holding air, so let's see if this will hold air. Now then, let's see if it's still leaking. No more leaks. All right. Fix the leak on the valve stem, and I have searched and searched and searched, and I cannot find anywhere else that it's leaking at the moment. Now, it was leaking, and I thought in a place around here, but I cannot find it now. There's no bubbles that's bubbling up, continuing to bubble up, so it's no longer leaking on this side. And no longer leaking on this side. You would see new bubbles if it were leaking. All right, no leaks, no more. So, here's a big old bubble. All right, no leaks, so let's go put it back on the lawnmower. Sure, put you some grease on it. hole. There's a hole. There we go. Now it can't come back out. Put a little dust cap back on. Just wanted to show you that. I did put that little spacer back on there. Alright. I think we got our tire fixed. Yeah, let's put our stuff up, and I guess that's it for now.